With all the countermeasures in place, attacks still happen, and that gets noticed only after an incident has happened. It is said that on average, an attack takes 200 days to be discovered. If undetected, the attacker could have compromised the system long back and gained persistence. To ensure the malicious intent of the attacker gets noticed, it is essential to log and monitor all the activities. It is essential to log all the activity and monitor it for any suspicious behavior. Some of the examples of insufficient logging can be unnoticing many failed login attempts from a particular source, too many requests from a particular source at an extremely fast, low fixed rate, junk traffic, spikes in pattern of traffics, and extensive DNS queries. Because DNS is the only legitimate port along with HTTP and HTTPS that connects corporations to outside world, and attackers have found lots of ways to bypass firewall controls by injecting queries or malicious queries within the legitimate DNS query. So it's always important to monitor the spikes within the DNS traffic. How to protect ourselves? Easy. Always monitor the usage, the logging of your applications, network monitoring. Effective security incident and response procedure should be in place and should be tested.